How to help your golden retriever overcome fear of loud noises or construction. Golden retrievers are known for their friendly and laid-back nature. However, just like any other dog, they can develop fears and anxieties, particularly when it comes to loud noises or construction activities. It's crucial to address these fears promptly and effectively, as long-lasting issues can significantly impact your dog's overall well-being. In this video, we will explore strategies and techniques to help your golden retriever overcome their fear of loud noises or construction. Understanding your golden retriever's fear. 1. Recognizing the signs. Before addressing your golden retriever's fear, it's crucial to identify the signs that indicate anxiety or fear. Watch out for trembling, panting, excessive pacing or scratching, cowering, hiding, or attempts to escape when exposed to loud noises or construction activities. 2. Identifying the triggers. It's important to pinpoint the specific triggers that cause fear in your golden retriever. Is it thunderstorms, fireworks, or construction noises? Identifying the triggers will help you build a tailored plan to desensitize and counter-condition your dog. Strategies to help your golden retriever. 1. Create a safe space. Designate a safe space in your home where your golden retriever can retreat when they feel anxious or scared. Make it comfortable and secure by placing their bed, toys, and familiar comforting scents in that area. 2. Counter-conditioning. Gradually expose your dog to low levels of the feared noise or construction activities while rewarding them with treats, praise, or playtime. This process helps your dog associate positive experiences with the previously fearful stimulus, gradually reducing their anxiety. 3. Desensitization. Start with low-intensity sounds or distant construction activities and gradually increase the intensity over time. Utilize audio recordings or videos of the noise or construction to simulate the sounds in a controlled environment. Providing positive reinforcement during this process will help your golden retriever associate the noise with positive experiences. 4. Use calming aids. Consider using calming aids such as anxiety wraps, pheromone diffusers, or calming music specifically designed for dogs. These aids can help reduce anxiety levels and create a calming environment during loud noises or construction activities. 5. Engage in positive distractions. Distract your golden retriever by engaging them in activities they enjoy during triggering events. Play their favorite games, offer puzzle toys filled with treats, or practice obedience training. Redirecting their attention to positive experiences can help alleviate anxiety. 6. Seek professional help if necessary. If your efforts to help your golden retriever overcome their fear prove ineffective, consider seeking professional help from a certified dog behaviorist or trainer. They can assess the situation and provide tailored guidance and techniques to help your dog overcome their fear. Preventive measures. 1. Early socialization. Proper socialization during the early stages of your golden retriever's life is essential. Expose them to various noises, environments, and people to build resilience and confidence, reducing the likelihood of developing fears later on. 2. Positive associations. Expose your golden retriever to positive experiences associated with loud noises or construction activities. For example, during fireworks or construction, play soothing music and engage in activities they enjoy to minimize fear development. Conclusion. Helping your golden retriever overcome their fear of loud noises or construction requires patience, consistency, and understanding. By creating a safe space, utilizing counter-conditioning and desensitization techniques, and seeking professional help if necessary, you can alleviate their anxiety and provide a calmer, happier life for your beloved pet. Remember, every dog is unique, so tailor your approach to suit your golden retriever's specific needs. With your support and guidance, they can overcome their fears and live a more fulfilling life.